First time trying a German local hotel chain, NH Collection under DHA Discovery. Unbox NH Collection Nuremberg City. Member welcome in-room dessert. Reveal their full facilities. How's the location?
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Tree Papa's channel and good day from Nuremberg, Germany. This is where we begin our Bavaria road trip. Later, we'll visit Königssee and several famous castles like Linderhof Palace and Neuschwanstein Castle. And finally end our journey in Munich City. However, the main focus of this video is the hotel review. Before I reveal the full details of the NH Collection Nuremberg City, as always, I'll let you know how I got here. Previously, I was at Istanbul Airport, visiting Turkish Airlines' signature Smiles & Miles Lounge for Star Alliance Gold members. I flew on the A321neo in economy class, one of the best economy class meals I've had in the air. For the full flight report, check the link below. The NH Collection Nuremberg City is located about a 7-minute walk from the Nuremberg main station. Interestingly, this area has many international chain hotels. I chose NH Collection because of my DHA Discovery Titanium membership. Let's check in and see what perks they offer. There's a welcome table with drinks, snacks and fruits for all hotel guests. A thoughtful touch to make you feel welcome. Check-in was quick and smooth. I was upgraded from a superior room to a premium room. However, both room types are the same size. The premium room simply faces the garden, making it quieter than those facing the main road. Alright, so right now let's unbox the room number 424. Let's go! As always, let's take a look at the view first. This is the superior room. Our view, we got a so-called a garden view. And let's say this is more quiet if we are facing inside. And facing outside on the main road, it will be a little bit noisy. Alright, and let's take a look at the relaxing area. They got this relaxed chair with a lamp. And one king-size bed, it looks fine. There's a working desk here, and we are a Titanium member, so we got this welcome snacks. It looks actually quite yummy. And the complimentary water for 2 bottles. And chocolate as well, quite many things actually. And here, the mini bar, not really a mini bar, the coffee bar. They got a tea and coffee with capsules. Alright, that's the inside. And over there, they got these 2. That's it. Feel relaxed. Alright, let's see what's inside. Eye mask and the pillow spray. Okay, and also the ear plug. Cool. So you can have a good rest right here. On this open wardrobe, let's take a look at the first part. This is the mini bar. I believe nothing free here, but it's well stocked. And if you scan this QR code, you're gonna find the price for all this mini bar, including like nuts, wine, or some chips. Nothing inside the safe right here. And laundry bag with a shoe cleaner. Nothing here. It's actually a little bit noisy for this one. With the hangers for your long stay. Wait. Oh, it's very clean, so I even don't know there's a mirror. There's a glass here. The best robe is a slippers. It looks quite nice. I got 2 pairs of that. Here is the bathroom. So it's pretty standard. They got all the essentials like dental kits, hygiene kit, shaving kit. So it's actually quite complete. Here is the toilet, very simple. And The bathroom is actually they mix the bathtub and the shower together. Alright, and there's no view from the bathroom. The amenities they are using, I think it's their own brand under NH Hotel. Alright. Okay, so that's all for the room tour. Later we will take a look at the city and also go downstairs, see what kind of facilities they got. See you there.
One small issue, as water leaks into the room after a shower. Something worth noting. Alright, it's time to sleep. See you tomorrow. Good morning from NH Collection Nuremberg City. Before I show you the gym and sauna facilities, I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. Let's explore what's available here. The hotel has a small gym and a sauna for guests to use. By the way, as a DHA Tinanium member, I was surprised to find out that NH hotels don't offer free breakfast, and it costs €25 per person. Honestly, that's a bit much. I'd rather grab something from McDonald's at the train station. What do you think? Would you pay an additional €25 for breakfast? In my next video, I will stay at the most luxury hotel, Kempinski Hotel Berchtesgaden, near Königssee. Stayed at Panorama View Room with stunning Alps mountains. Experience the amazing outdoor heated swimming facilities. You shouldn't miss the premium breakfast buffet with a glass of sparkling morning wine. This is truly the best hotel I ever stay. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.